festive wear, wedding wear, earrings, flat 50% off में. Then we have beautiful dupattas, everyday regular wear, and saris just starting from 1500, all happening at Gallery 105.
Go.
So second brand here are for saris. So we have Pehnava, and they are celebrating their 6-month anniversary. For that they are providing an offer. So offer ये है कि from this section till here, all these saris are for flat 1500. तो उसमें क्या क्या है? Hand painted. Look at this, tissue border के साथ. Then we have linens, different colors. Look at this. जामदानीज में भी है, sequence में. Look at that. Mull cotton. So mull fabric में. Then we have a sweetheart sari. Look at this. And tissues. Also, if you're a fan of tissues, we have beautiful dupattas for flat 1000. So pick any one for flat 1000. Then this section is for flat 2000. So again, pick any. इसमें आपको चंदेरी sarees हैं. Look at this. So these are for flat 2000.
Go.
So this is Euphoric by Janvi Shah. They have some beautiful jewelry like what I am wearing. Baki, they have some nice new pieces here. Look at this. Then we have Hansleys. इसमें भी आपको 50% flat off मिल जाएगा. Beautiful. तो around 400 का पड़ेगा. Then we have nice chokers here. Look at this. Beautiful one. Long neck pieces. Look at this. Nice long neck with earrings. Then only chokers. Look at this. Very pretty. Then यहाँ से पूरा section flat 50% off है. Starting price is 350 only. जैसे ये jute में. Look at this. Then we have Afghani with jute. Very cute. So these are all the pieces. Western भी है इसमें थोड़े. And then earrings also starting from 250.
Go.
So we have Sohi fashion here. She's also wearing very comfortable look, पूरा जामदानी style के साथ. Sohi fashion once again. They also have like 3-piece sets, very flowy. Then some pure cotton one with dupatta and pants. 2-piece sets. And then only kurtas also. These are the kurtas. And किसी pieces में selected pieces में we have flat 15% off. Then they have nice pants. Look at this. Shirts के साथ भी अच्छी लगेगी. And like short tops के साथ. So this is the second design. Then we have dresses for flat 1000. So pick any one dress for flat 1000. Then we have unstitched suits. Look at this. These are all unstitched. Beautiful. And then one piece like a top. जैसे मैंने आपको पैंट्स के साथ दिखाया, तो you can pair up with that. इसमें भी आपको काफी मिल जाएंगे for your like office wear. If you're looking for a wedding wear or a festive wear, then I have a solution for. We have a brand here at Gallery 105. जैसे मैंने पहना हुआ is one of her collection, and if you like brocade, then we have a beautiful lehenga, पूरा handwork के साथ दुपट्टा. Look at that. And then we have dupattas here जो flat 25% off में है. That you'll have to come down here and see. Other than that, she's into customization as well. So you'll get to see some nice 2-piece sets. We have floor length gowns like these for like a reception look. Then we have beautiful red lehengas. They are into bridal wear as well. Look at this. तो आपके हिसाब से सब कुछ stitch हो जाएगा. Then we have 3-piece sets like these with dupatta, pants and bottom for your rakhi. And what else? We have something like this, like a cape. So yes, they are into customizing everything. And some of the piece which I like, something in black, very flowy, is this.